What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. Hope you're having a wonderful day. So today, guys, we're going to be welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. Hope you're having a wonderful day. So today, guys, my bad. All right, back to where we were. So I'm going to be looking at SPY and Tesla. We're going to be looking at the setups, and I'm going to talk to you about the current state of the market and some swing trading opportunities, which I feel are going to be very, very strong going into the end of the week and into next week. All right, guys. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. So first and foremost, hit me with a 1 if you can hear me loud and clear. Anthony, what's going on? Bill, Ryan, what's going on, brother? Becky, Wesley, NG, member for 4 months. Thank you for supporting the Trading Wars Army. What's going on? D. Robinson, Frank, what's going on, brother? Ho, what's going on? All right, guys. All right, so let me go ahead and let's look at the Fibonacci on the S&P 500 and start to plan our map and where our key levels are, okay? So just so you guys know, this morning I locked in $1,411.80. You can see here at 10:39, I covered my short position that I took earlier in the week, and I took profits, okay? And I'm going to walk you through why I took profits, and I'm going to walk you through the setup. And you're going to see right now that we are in a very powerful battle between the bulls and the bears, okay? This is a very tight range that is likely going to break out by the end of this week, okay? So first of all, let's start off with the short. Okay. So what I'm going to do here, guys, is I am going to walk you through this short trade so you can understand my thought process. And we're going to start off with the Sunday price action. And I'm going to hit the replay if I can. Okay. So here we are on futures, guys. And this is going into Sunday where the futures market opens at 6 p.m. So this is the first candle of futures for the beginning of the week. So Sunday at 6 p.m., is that a bearish or bullish candle? Hit me with the 1 for bearish, hit me with the 2 for bullish. What do you think? So few things we need to note on this chart. The first thing is right here. This is the Wednesday high at 45.80.50, and you could see there was a massive wick on that. Okay. You guys can see that massive wick. So there was a lot of selling that happened on the Wednesday, and that high was defended. Okay. Because you could see we never broke through this high. And right after that high, we put in this 618 right here. So this whole area is a block of algo shorts that are continuing to just short the 618. You can see right here, they're shorting at the level right here, and they're bringing it down. So hit me with the 10 if that makes sense so far. Okay. So based on all that information, I went ahead and I'm looking for my trade. So what am I going to do? Well, the first thing I want to do, guys, is I want to see a break of this box first. And that's what we got right here. Okay. So we broke this box overnight on Sunday. Okay. So we broke this. This is at 22, which is 10 p.m. on Sunday night. Okay. And what I want to really point out to you guys here, do you guys see how they move the market after hours? This is happening on Sunday when the market is closed. Hit me with the 12 if you see that. And what they're doing here, guys, they're already placing their bets on what they think is going to happen. Okay. So my job and your job as trader is to use that information to look for good opportunities. Okay. So I'm gonna hop into the Discord here, and I'm going to go to our Lotto section here. So this was a short we took on SPY as well as a short we took on the futures. So let's talk about futures here. Okay. So this was the setup yesterday at 1 p.m. We ended up getting filled short at 1:12. Okay. So I will walk you through that right now. So once we have this push down here, we start coming into the open. Okay. So now this is Monday morning open. Boom, 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 boom. This is 9 a.m. Okay. 9 a.m. So what I'm doing here, now I have the basis for my setup for the Fibonacci pullback. So this is what I did. So I left my anchor right here, 45.80.50. Let me just adjust this. and I moved it to the low of this candle right here, which is the overnight low. Okay, so that low is 45.56, 45.52. Okay, and this right here, my friends, completes the dragon pattern. Okay, so I'm going to show you that right now. So if we start off here, we have boom, boom, pullback, new leg, and the completion of the dragon is right here on that 618. This is the dragon pattern. Okay, so this is a cipher advanced harmonic pattern. So I went short here, 45.69.50, boom, boom, boom. There's our fill. Okay, so right here, 1 o'clock, you can see in the Discord here, we'll let you know when I get fill, team. I'm filled. So I got filled at 1:12 p.m. So this is the same thing I just drew up for you guys. Okay, so we got filled. Now let's watch. So as soon as we get filled, boom, boom, bang. Okay, so right there, guys, I'm up about 1,300, and then I held it through the night. Right here, overnight, guys, I was up about $2,400 on this trade. And I started to see that we were rallying back in the morning. So here's Tuesday, 4 a.m. So that's this morning. And we put in that leg right there, that final push down, and then we started to rally. So what I did right here, guys, is I trailed my stop loss. So my stop loss was break even once we started to push down, and I moved it above these candles right here. So this secured about a 1-to-1 risk to reward, a little bit more than one. And that was $1,411.80 on 3 contracts short at 45.69.50, covering at 45.60. Okay, so I locked in my profits here because I saw this pushback. And honestly, guys, as a trader, sometimes all you can do is just trail stop loss, right? Because in hindsight, I would love to sell right here at the exact bottom. That would have been about $2,500, but you don't know that. And then the very next hour, we have this huge rally. So I was so grateful that I had a trailing stop loss and I took profit, because you could see right here, guys, it came all the way back and would have been a trade that I ended up losing on that was in profits. Okay, and then we push right back down. So so that right there is a little mechanic trailing stop loss. Okay, hit me with a 5 if that makes sense. Now from there, I'm going to fast forward. We've been going back and forth, but notice that this high right here is still not broken. Okay, and if we were to pull the Fibonacci down on this full range here, technically this is still a dragon pattern that's playing out. Okay, now you can use this anchor and bring it back here. So the dragon pattern, the harmonic pattern, is not broken until the high is taken out. And the bears are continuing to short. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is where I got in on the 6th time. And then 7th time was today. So they are really, really defending that level. So what I'm going to do for my swing trade idea here is, if we can get above this high, right around 45.77, I think they have a good chance to blow the roof off, because there's a lot of short traders in there. Okay, 45.77. Likewise, if they can come back down and break through these lows over here, then they have a good chance of making a new low. Okay, and then to apply that to SPY, we can do the same thing. Go to the hourly. So here's your range for SPY if you want to use options. So right here, around 456, they can get above that. And if they can get below 453.94, this tight range right here, guys, has a very high chance to break out. And what this actually created is an outside bar, which is crazy. They created an outside bar on SPY. And if you look back at SPY, every time we have these outside bars, guys, look at these white bars. It's part of my free indicators. They have big moves. The last one we had was on November 10th, November 9th. And November 10th, we ripped and then we gapped and exploded because we had trapped short sellers here. So the question is, will this be another short squeeze? You could see the shorts up here, or will this be an actual pullback for once? And remember, with the pullback, we have an open gap below. So I'm going to use those trigger levels to help me get involved in the trade. Give me 25 if that makes sense. All right. And then we have, moving on to Tesla. Before we talk about Tesla, I just want to let you guys know. So if you want to trade futures, if you want to do options, then I have a lifetime membership. Okay, lifetime membership right here, tradingwars.com, Fibonacci Society, lifetime membership. It's $150 for life. Okay, and I'm not going to keep lifetime forever, but I just want to build up that community and get it to about 300 or 400 people. Okay, so we're about like 200 right now. And it comes with my beautiful Power of the 618 Fibonacci book, and you guys will have lifetime access to these swing trades. All right, so consider that if you like what I'm doing and if you're interested in those swing plays. There are not many swing plays. There's probably one a week or two a week maximum. Okay, so that way we can stay extremely focused. All right, so that's the plan there. Really powerful outside bar. I love that setup. Now we'll look at Tesla. Okay, so as you guys know, my long level on Tesla was $200.55, and this was back a few weeks ago now when we used the 50% retracement of this push. And now we have this daily chart, massive green candle because of their new news about their Cybertruck and all that stuff. But one thing that I wanted to show you with the Fibonacci, guys, this one is kind of scary, so I wanted to show you this. Okay, so today was the rip, 4.5% rip. But watch this. The bottom of this rip, guys, was actually a Fibonacci from the low of Monday, right here, to the high right there of Tuesday morning. So this morning, 9:40, the shorts tried to short, and the big bull stepped in right here on the 618, guys, and they rang that right up, straight up, 4.5%. Hit me with 13 if you guys see that. Diego, what's going on, Diego, brother? Great book. Thank you. Learning a lot from it. Thank you for the support, my friend. I really appreciate it. Thank you. So what I'm saying right here, my friends, the line in the sand for Tesla is 235, because this price action from this 618 was not me or you buying Tesla. You can clearly see there's a lot of players in Tesla on this 618. And my opinion, I think there's algos, I think there's robots at that 235 level. Okay, so as long as Tesla can stay above 235, there's no stopping it. Okay, because that's where I see the 618s load up. However, if Tesla turns around and breaks that 235, then I can see a big sell-off coming. All right, so that's my looks on Tesla right here. Obviously, the best entry was the one I called out a few weeks ago, $200.55. That was the one. Okay, because that's already up almost $50 per one share, guys. All right, that's crazy. But that's my analysis there. So long and strong above 235. That's the setup that I have there on Tesla based on the Fibonacci. Okay, hit me with the 10 if that all makes sense. So there we go, guys. That's the updates I wanted to give you. There's going to be some big climaxing coming here. I'm super excited. I'm going to look for another swing. Technically, guys, there's a really nice swing trade right here with a low risk right now on futures. If I just go off of this high, there's this high right here and this low right here. You can see right on that 618, we're getting a little bit of interaction and reaction, rejection, etc. So very, very nice little play here. So I'm going to wait. I'm going to be patient. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to wait for that setup. Rich, should we go long on Tesla if it goes back to 35 or go long now? It's up to you. I mean, if you go long now, remember it's already up 4.5%, right? So you're going to be taking on more risk. It might never come back to 235 again. So whatever you do, just size small and don't risk anything that you can't lose. Okay, so that's the best way to do it. And if you are long-term bullish on Tesla, you start off with a little bit, and then you can always add on the dip, right? If that's your game plan on Tesla. For me, my moneymaker and my favorite stock is Amazon, Microsoft. Those are my two favorite. And I've done really, really well this year on them. Okay. Target on Tesla using the Fib. Yes, we do, my friend. So if we go back here to the weekly chart. Oops. So if this 50% Fibonacci can play out on Tesla, this is the one where we got the 255 level from, then Tesla's on its way to retest 300. Okay. It could go sideways for a long time, but it could, but based on the Fibonacci projection, 300, that psychological number first, then we have 353, and then on the way to all-time high. That's the path for this bull on the 50. And if we want to play devil's advocate, we also have the bear right here. The bear is waiting around that 260 area, 258, 259. So once we get up there, I'm very interested to see if the bears will step in again. All right, guys. Hey, thank you for your time, my friends. Comment, like, subscribe. I'm be doing a lifetime giveaway to the Discord, to the Fibonacci Society. There'll be a lifetime giveaway. Just comment Fibonacci below once I end the broadcast, my friends. And I want to thank you so much for always being here to support me. And just glad to be making money with the team. Yeah, that's what it's all about. You make money by yourself. You know, what's a point, really? In the bigger scheme of things, obviously you need to make money. But making money by yourself versus making money with a community, with a team, is just so much different, because you could see, like, look at this. I'll give you guys an example. So, like, when I post my games, look at the love that I get, you know, and when we take trades together and we hit them together, that's a really good feeling. I mean, I love community. I love people. I love to teach. I love my team, you know. It's a good feeling when we kill it, you know. We're not always going to win, but it's great when we do. And we try our best to do our best. That's all we can do. Thank you so much. Check me out, tradingwars.com. Like I said, comment Fibonacci below when I end the broadcast. Like and subscribe. Let me know if you want me to do a live day trading stream on Friday. I might pull out the screen. We'll day trade together on Friday and absolutely kill it. Take advantage of this lifetime access while you can, guys. And, you know, it's a good deal. Trust me, guys. It's a good deal based on the content and the quality that you're getting. All right. Thanks so much for your time. Take care.